Hi everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, I demonstrated how to turn fully cured cold processed soap into soap paste using a French-style milling technique. In this video, I will incorporating natural additive and shape the mixture into grape soaps and assemble them into a charming and functional grape cluster soap. After the second milling and drying phase, the soap paste remains somewhat soft and sticky due to the higher amount of oleic acid-rich soft oils used. Take a portion of the soap paste and mix in matcha powder as a natural colorant. Then add green tea extract to enhance its antioxidant properties. You can also add plant oils and essential oils to boost the moisturizing properties and enhance the fragrance of the soap. Use a spoon to mash and mix the soap paste thoroughly until well combined. Continue adding more matcha powder if you want a darker green color. In addition, I also added pearl powder. And green oxide to brighten and enhance the color. If the soap paste is still too sticky, you can add some arrowroot powder to help absorb excess moisture. Roll the soap paste into grape-shaped balls, with each piece weighing approximately 7 to 10 grams. Cut the jute string into 20 centimeters long and tie a knot at one end. Use a bamboo skewer to poke a small hole through each grape soap. Then use the skewer to help guide the knotted end of the string through the hole. Do the same for the rest of the grape soaps. I made 30 individual soap grapes for each cluster to give the grape soaps a glossy finish. I dipped each one into melted transparent soap, allowing it to coat the surface with a shiny layer. Tie the grape soaps into small bundles of 3. Then repeat the process to make a total of 10 sets. Finally, use a piece of jute string to wrap and tie all the bundles together into one complete grape cluster. Let's test how it feels when we use it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you again next time.